Welcome students. Today we can see the classification of research. Research works are classified mainly under two categories. That is classification based on purpose. Based on purpose. And classification based on approach. Based on approach. On approach. The classification based on purpose include basic research, action research, applied research, evaluation research, and interdisciplinary research. Interdisciplinary. So, based on the purpose, research is classified as basic research, action research, applied research, evaluation research, and interdisciplinary research. Now we can see each one in detail.
Basic research. It is the fundamental form of research. It is also known as pure research. It gives foundation for the initial study. It discovers new facts. It gives a theoretical report. Applied research. It is the implementation of theoretical study upon a problematic situation. It tests and verifies theory. It gives immediate answer to a question. Action research is based on taking immediate action on a happening event or situation. It is quick service oriented. It is taking immediate action. It is sensitive to time and place. Evaluation research. It is a type of research for evaluating a program which is implemented in a problematic situation. It is included as three types: concurrent evaluation, periodic evaluation, and terminal evaluation. In concurrent evaluation, evaluation is done at each step of the process. In periodic evaluation, evaluation is done at a definite period of time. Terminal evaluation, evaluation is done at the end of the implementation. Interdisciplinary research studies. This study includes the incorporated work of various disciplines, or it also includes the comparison of one discipline with another. It is also known as cooperative research. It helps to study a complete phenomenon.
Details. Then based on the approach, research are classified into two types: non-experimental and experimental. An example for non-experimental type research is survey. So, non-experimental research, an example is survey, and for experimental research, example is laboratory studies. So, today we have seen the classification of research. First one is based on purpose. That is basic research, action research, applied research, evaluation research, and interdisciplinary research. And based on approach, non-experimental and experimental research. Thank you.